Today's recipe is some oven baked plantain and chicken skewers, okay? So first of all, what I'm going to do, I have some bamboo sticks here that I'm going to soak in some water for 30 minutes. Then I have some chicken breasts that I did cut into small pieces. Wash them thoroughly, pat dry them with paper towel, and now I'm going to add a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning, some Cajun seasonings, some salt, and some black pepper. Feel free to add any seasonings that you want onto your meat, okay? Mix it thoroughly and set it aside for 30 minutes. So I have some red, green, and yellow bell pepper here, along with an onion and a ripe plantain. At this time, I'm going to peel my plantain and cut them into desired pieces. Drop them into some hot water just for 2 minutes, guys. Then I'm going to remove them and let them cool. I did this because I did not want the plantains to get black. Now in a dry pan, I'm going to add my chicken breast. Now chicken breast does not take long to cook, so this is just about a 2-minute cooking here. Flip them over after 1 minute on each side just to get the excess moisture out. Then take it out completely from the pan. Do not let it cook any longer. Now I have my pepper, onion, chicken, my plantain. I also have my bamboo sticks that I remove from the water along with some olive oil. So let's prep now. What you want to do at this time is just sprinkle some olive oil right over the top of the peppers and the onions. And guys, I did not put any black pepper or salt onto the pepper because I know that they would, like we would say, spring a lot of water. So it's okay. Vegetables comes in when you spice them up after, because I'm going to be making a beautiful sauce to go with this. I'm also going to repeat the same with the olive oil on the plantains. Just rub them up, and then I'll do the same on the chicken. Simple, easy, and quick recipe, guys. Once this is done, it's time for me to place them onto my bamboo sticks, and you can place them in any order. You can also use the red onions. At this time, my oven is set to 350 degrees. Guys, I'm not going to grill them. I'm going to bake them in the oven. Now the chicken breast is already pre-cooked. It doesn't want long to cook. So what we're going to do is just place them into the oven for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, we're going to turn them. I'm so sorry I didn't get a chance to show you that I did turn them around. But once I turn them around, I use my own homemade sauce to baste them, which was pineapple juice, tomato ketchup, some Sriracha sauce, and some mayonnaise. And that brings out the burst of flavor onto these skewers, all right? So once I baste them, remember that the chicken breast does not want long to cook. So what I did is just pop them right back into the oven, turn the oven off, and let them sit for another 2 minutes. Simple, easy, and quick recipe. After 2 minutes, this is what our oven baked plantain chicken skewers looks like. So guys, let's serve them. Simple, easy. Stay with me, guys, for more recipes. Don't you forget to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, leave me a beautiful comment, and let me know what you think when you try them, how they taste. That burst of flavor sauce that I put on them is the bomb. Enjoy. I will see you soon.